Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by fixing the alignment and establishing firm foundations. You stake the centerline and check grades. Accuracy now prevents rework later. Once the route is clear, select rail and sleepers based on expected loads so components match performance needs. You then prepare the subgrade, compacting to specification and placing a uniform ballast bed 0, 2 to 0. 5 meters thick so ties sit evenly. Make sure drainage paths are defined before you move to track assembly. Next, you assemble the track panels by placing sleepers at the design spacing, typically 0, 6 to 0. 75 meters on center for many systems, so load distributes correctly. Once sleepers are positioned, set rails onto chairs or pad and fasten with clips or bolts. Maintain a precise 435 mm gauge for standard track using gauge bars. Then align and level each panel using a string line and a 3-meter straight edge. Tamping ballast beneath the tie. To finish, you make secure rail joints, cut, dress, and weld or fishplate them, and then recheck gauge and cant. Once joined, profile and compact ballast around ties, completing drainage and peripheral details so track stability is long-lasting. You'll perform staged test runs at low speed to observe ride and geometry. If you see deviations of 1 to 3 millimeters or unusual vibration, stop and adjust tamping or alignment. A common troubleshooting tip: retamp local ballast and relevel the affected ties before full-speed commissioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.